So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your iPhone battery health is just rapidly going down. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically with your battery of your iPhone, you might see that if you click on battery and if you click on battery health and charging, your battery health may have used to been like 100%, but within like a month it's down to like 98, and maybe like 3 or 4 months from there it's down to like 95 or 93%. Now, there's no way to reverse this without replacing your specific iPhone battery. So the quickest way to fix this is if you have the ability, sending your iPhone into Apple for them to repair and replace the battery is basically the only way to reverse it. But if you want to stop your iPhone from rapidly depleting battery, there's a few things you can do. One, make sure your iPhone is not in very, very hot conditions for constant periods of time. If your iPhone is always in the dash of your car, and if it's always getting heat on it, or if it's in very, very cold environments, those are very, very big ways that your iPhone can actually experience some massive battery drain. So make sure your iPhone is in, as in room temperature for as long as possible. If it's sometimes in hot conditions, sometimes in cold conditions, that's okay. But if it's like constantly just getting battered in those types of conditions over and over again for months and months, that is going to be the quickest way your iPhone is going to experience those types of issues. Now, another thing that can probably cause these problems is that if you are constantly letting your iPhone completely die out of battery. So what does this mean? Well, that basically means that if your iPhone is at 100% battery life like mine is right now, and if it dies out throughout the day at 0% and it like completely shuts off, that is actually not the best thing for your battery if it's always dying. Now you should actually be, charging your iPhone, from 100% if it goes down to like 40, going back to 100, so on and so forth. But you probably should not be letting your iPhone die out all the time. That is another thing that can probably cause some issues as well. On top of that, I would probably recommend just keeping your iPhone up to date as much as you can. Those calculations of the battery health can get improved. So make your way back into your iPhone settings right here. Click on General, click on Software Update, and go ahead and try updating your iPhone. And if there's an update available, go ahead and update. That could be another thing that can probably fix the option as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.